Hey! Oh, my shoulder cracked. I'm super happy to see you in today's video because today I'm gonna create chocolate desserts. So I'm not the one who created this recipe. I just found it on internet, so the link is in the description. It's in French, just be warned. But yeah, in today's video I wanted to try it. It looks good and it's so simple. I definitely need to try this. I've never tried this recipe before, so here is what you'll need for this recipe. Let's go! So for this recipe, you'll need milk, sugar, cocoa powder, leaf of gelatine, and that's it. That's all what you need. This is a bonus point for this recipe. But without further ado, let's do it. I already know what my dessert is gonna be tonight. I can't wait. I'm so excited to see if it's good or not. There is chocolate. It can only be good, right? I can't wait to be tonight. Yes, just for that. Guys, I messed up yesterday. So when I cleaned everything yesterday, I noticed something. A leaf of gelatine remained in the bowl, because you know what? Transparent in transparent is invisible, basically, and so yeah, I forgot a leaf of gelatine in the water. So I decided that I wouldn't touch any of these and let it do its thing the whole night and see if it's still working or not. Unfortunately, I don't have the right texture. The consistency is not the good one, definitely not, but I think the taste is here, so I'm gonna try it anyway. But keep in mind that if you're not like me and if you don't absolutely forget a leaf of gelatine, it will change the consistency of it. So I'm sorry. I'm going to show you how it looks, just in case you're curious. So here it is, as you can tell. So yeah, it's not perfect. It's supposed to stay in place, but it's not. So now let's see how it tastes. I'm so disappointed. I like it. I can actually drink that. Guys, I'm doing so many things for you. It's so hard. It's really hard sometimes. Super hard. Anyway, jokes aside, it's really good. I like it. It's super simple, so I'm saying it's super simple and I failed, but if you're not like me and you're paying much more attention to what you're doing, it's very simple, trust me. It's not the recipe's fault, it's mine, but I definitely think you should give it a try, because even if the texture is not there, the taste is. Yeah, I'm filming the outro right now because I'm scared I will forget about that. Yes, you're going to be like going in the future and coming back in the past, like time traveling. Great, right? So anyway, I really hope you liked this recipe as much as I guess I did. I don't know how it tastes, so yeah, I hope it was great. If it wasn't good, you'll know it. If it was good, I highly recommend you to check it out. Anyway, no matter if I like it or not, since it's my personal taste, I'll put the link in the description if you want to find more recipes like that. Keep in mind, once again, it's in French, but maybe you'll want to have a look and see what other recipes you can find on here. So everything is in the description box. I hope you like this video and I shall see you guys in the next one. Thanks for liking, watching, sharing, commenting, everything. And yeah, see ya, bye!